Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys 3 winter coats that I wear on a daily. These are my go-to coats that I cannot live without in the winter. 1, because they're very comfortable. 2, because they keep me super warm. And 3, because they're stylish. So 3 things, very important when you're buying clothes. So if you guys want to see what coats I'm talking about, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the first coat. I love this color because it is such a winter coat. It just represents snow, you know, all white. I love a classic all white and black coat. It's so stylish. I like to wear this on dresses, on jeans. I'm wearing this with these boots. I like fuzzy coats because they're super warm. They keep you comfortable. And this is one of those timeless type coats that you can keep in your closet for so long. I styled it with a belt, of course, as you can see, and black jeans. And these boots, I don't know if you guys can see them. But yeah, this is the coat. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see it. And I got this from Misguided. Okay, so here is the second coat. This is a heavy black coat. So this coat has a fuzzy faux fabric inside, and then outside has this glossy faux leather fabric. I love the two-tone feel that it gives. I feel like in the 90s hip-hop style. Then I have the leather boots on as well. I like a good black coat in the winter because it just keeps you nice and warm. And it's stylish. The black is one of those styles that you can wear forever. You can never go wrong with anything black. And that is why I love this coat. Check out the back. It feels like an oversized coat, but it still looks good. You know, it's like oversized, but it looks good. I like the zipper detailing. I think it's really adds more character. I like the belt buckle on the sleeves. I think that also too adds character. I mean, you can close it up. You can zip it up. Let me zip it up for you guys. Do you hear all that noise this thing is making? It sounds like I'm walking on plastic or something. But so there's that, see? I really wish you guys could see the shoes, but those are the heels. And I'm also still wearing those black jeans I wore earlier. So the last coat I'm going to show you guys is this heavy coat that I got in Canada 10 years ago. Literally, I got this coat when I was in high school, and this just shows you how timeless this style of coats is. I got it from this leather Italian store called Denier Leather, but that store has since gone downhill. I mean, it's just not what it used to be back in the day. But when I saw this coat, it was $700, and I said, oh God, I cannot afford $700. I'm just a high school student. But then I had to save up because I needed this coat in my life. I was like, this is gonna be my coat. And I got it, and let me tell you, this coat is just gold. It was the first leather coat I purchased. So yeah, I got this 10 years ago. It was one of my first leather coats that I ever purchased. So it has leather detailing, so the belt's are leather, and then it also has leather detailing at the upper pockets, and then it is also made out of fur. I think this is faux fur. It is faux fur, yeah. Also has far detailing on the collar. I love the collar, so whenever I wear this coat I don't even need to wear a scarf because the collar keeps me super warm. Like, look at that, look at all of that. And then my arms too have the fur. This coat is one of my coats that I will never give away, ever. I mean, it's been keeping me warm for 10 years. This is the back. The back has this belt detail as well, which I think is really cute. I just tied it up. And I don't think I did a good job, but see the belt detailing in the back. I like this coat because I can wear it with pretty much anything. If I want to go out on a date night where I'm going to wear a glamorous dress, I can wear this coat. I can wear it anywhere pretty much because it's just one of those versatile coats that you can pretty much put on anything. It is nice and warm. This is the warmest coat that I have in my closet. It has, well, actually take it off, let me show you. I'm wearing it with the boots as well. So these boots that I'm wearing, I'm gonna put a picture so you guys can see. I can wear these boots with pretty much all my coats, which is why I decided to wear them for this video because they're so, like, I can wear them with anything. But this coat, the good thing about it is that it has a layer inside. So I'm gonna show you that layer. This layer can come off. So do you see this? I can take this layer off if I want it to be a little bit lighter because it's such a heavy coat. So in the springtime, I usually take this layer out so it can be a little bit lighter, but it is one heavy coat. And I always take it out when it's extremely cold, bone chilly cold. That's when I take out this coat and wear it because it really does a good job at keeping me warm. And I want you guys to see the bottom. It's really long, but this is the bottom of the coat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, drop some comments down below, hit that bell for notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video.